GUI Pro. Casual Game is a polished UI solution for casual mobile games. It offers a wide range of components that maximize gameplay usability through intuitive design and seamless integration. Crafted meticulously by a skilled art team, it combines exceptional visual quality with practical functionality and is trusted by developers worldwide to create sleek, player-friendly interfaces. Arcade Car Customizer and Driving System is a polished, all-in-one solution for arcade-style racing games. It offers a modular vehicle customization system, advanced paint and material options, dynamic garage and save management, and responsive arcade driving physics with drifting, burnouts, NOS, and speed-focused camera effects. Designed with a developer-friendly scriptable object architecture, it allows easy expansion of vehicle parts and colors while supporting both mobile and desktop platforms. Horror Audio Bundle is a complete audio solution for horror games. It offers over 4,000 professionally recorded and designed audio files, including cinematic sound effects, creature sounds, Foley, gore, weapons, soundscapes, music, voices, and exclusive effects available only in the bundle. Created with high-end recording equipment and professional synthesizers, it provides a wide variety of immersive sounds to enhance the atmosphere and gameplay of horror projects. Mini Poly Racetrack is a stylized, low-poly racing environment designed for arcade, casual, and simulation-style racing games. It offers a complete set of modular assets, including racetracks, pit lanes, grandstands, race control buildings, garages, and decorative trackside props. Featuring clean geometry, strong silhouettes, vibrant colors, and consistent proportions, it provides flexible and performance-friendly building blocks for creating race circuits, event areas, and racing hubs across mobile, indie, and stylized PC projects. Low Poly Vehicles Pack is a production-ready collection of 7 low-poly PBR cars and trucks, featuring exterior models optimized for mobile and simulation projects. Each vehicle includes customizable colors and functional lights such as headlights, blinkers, brake lights, and reverse lights, along with both new and rusted visual variations. The pack also includes 7 HDR and LDR skyboxes for lighting and background environments, with all vehicles prepared for easy integration with the Glade traffic system.